Hi, I'm Doug, and I'm here to help you set up your Wi-Fi and make sure you get the most out of it. But why just tell you when I can show you? Let's go! Getting connected and staying connected can sometimes feel like facing the final boss in a video game. But these tips will help you complete your connection quest in no time. Remember, your EE app is your ultimate walkthrough guide. Just scan here to download it. Ready? Does your master socket look like this or this? If it's got 2 ports, go ahead and plug it in. If it's only got 1, you'll need to use the microfilter. There are 3 ways to connect your devices to your hub: typing, scanning, and, if your device supports it, pressing. Want to know what all those lights mean? Allow us. Yes! Once you're connected, it's time to boost that signal. When your smart Wi-Fi is plugged in, pair it with your hub by pressing this button on both devices. Now, let's find a place to put it. Yes! It's time to make that signal unbreakable. Simply plug in your Hybrid Connect device, pair, and wait for the light. Finally, let's find the best signal. You nailed it! Yes! No cheat codes required. Just one thing left to do.